Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Abby from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 angles up, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's bring it out at the top. Now let's curve it back in at the ends. Now top inside each eye and let's draw a curve down and up. And then let's add a small circle inside on the left. And then another curve next to it on the right side. And then color both of the pupils in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw another curve on top. Next, we're going to hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve across and bring it down at the ends. Now from the center, a small line up. Now on top, let's bring it in, stopping halfway. And then a small curve up at the ends. And then let's close off the eyebrows by curving it down. Now next to the eyebrows, we're going to hop out and let's draw a small V-shaped point on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw the shape of the face. We'll start with 2 angles down and in. And then let's angle it down toward the center, leaving a gap in the middle. And then close off the bottom with a curve for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the face, let's hop in and let's draw a small curve in the center for the nose and a curve underneath for the mouth. Now we're going to hop to the sides and let's draw 2 curves down and in for the ears. And then inside each one, let's add a curve down with a bump at the bottom. Now that we're done the ears, we're going to hop to the top and draw the hair. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down with a wavy line. And then curve it up from the bottom. Now next to it, let's add a curve down and a larger wavy line up. Now let's add one more piece on the left in the same way. Let's draw a curve down and then a wavy line back up on top. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right side. Let's draw a curve over and curve it back up. Now underneath in the center, let's draw a curve across for the hairline. Now let's continue the hair on the right. Let's draw a curve down and up. Then let's move back up to the top and let's draw a curve over and bring it in. Now to close off the hair, at the top here, let's draw one more curved piece over to the right and back down. Now that we're done the hair, let's draw the hat. On the left side, let's draw a curve up. And the same on the right in between the two pieces of hair. Now to draw the shape of the hat, let's start on top and let's draw a curve down all the way to the ear on the left. And let's do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two curves down and out for the neck. And then let's bring it out and curve it down for the shoulders. Now let's hop in and let's draw the collar of the shirt with two curves down. Now from the bottom, let's curve it down and up on both sides. And then in the middle, let's draw two more curves down, meeting at a point. And that's it for the collar. Now we're going to hop out and draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's draw a curve in. And then a curve down on both sides. Now we're going to hop out, and for the other side of the arms, let's curve it down and in like this. Now we're going to draw the arms folded across each other, starting with the right side. Let's hop in and let's draw a curve over. Then for the end, let's curve it up and back down. A curve underneath. And then bring it back over to close off the arm. Now next to the hand, let's draw a bump over. And then from the left elbow, we're going to bring it back up towards the center. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and let's finish drawing the shirt. Let's start underneath each of the arms and let's draw a small line down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw a line down from the center and continue it underneath the arms. And then add two angles down underneath. Now inside this triangle, let's add a curve across for the belt. Now that we have the shape of the shirt, let's move in and let's draw the flower pattern. On the collar, let's draw two bumps on both sides. Now let's hop inside the left shoulder and let's draw two bumps and a small leaf shape next to it. Now let's hop over and let's draw some bumps around the shape of the flower. And add a small circle inside. And let's add two leaves going down underneath. Now let's hop to the center above the arms and let's draw a bump across. And continue the bumps over to the right side. And add two leaves on top. Now let's add a flower on the right shoulder here. With a circle inside. And then a small leaf next to it on the left. Now let's hop down and let's add another leaf on the right shoulder. And then let's hop to the bottom of the shirt under the arms and let's add a few more down here. And that's it for the shirt. Now let's hop to the bottom and draw the pants. I'll start with a small line down in the center and curve it up on the right. And then 2 lines down underneath for the inside of the legs. And then hop out and let's draw another set of lines down. And close off the bottom with a curve across. And lastly, for the pants, let's add a curve on the top corners for the pockets. Now at the bottom here, let's add the shoes. For the inside, let's draw 2 curves down. Now on the top, let's add the tongue of the shoe, starting with a curve. Angle both sides down and in, and a line across. Now let's continue the shape of the shoe by bringing it out and curving it down. And close off each shoe with a curve across at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's add the soles with another curve across. Then inside, let's add a curve down. And then a curve across inside the front section here. Now inside the top of the shoe here, let's add an angle down and 1 curve inside. And that's it for Abby. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!